In the last module, you saw why buying a business can be smarter than starting one from scratch. Now let's go one step further. I'm going to show you the 5 stages of buying a business. The high-level roadmap that takes you from finding a deal to sitting in that owner's chair. The first stage is sourcing, finding the businesses that are actually for sale. You can look on marketplaces, work with brokers, or even find opportunities off the market. The key here is knowing how to filter quickly, because there are thousands of listings and only a few are worth your time. In the full course, I'll show you the exact filters and sourcing systems that make this stage efficient. Next comes valuation. At a high level, you're asking, what is this business really worth? Most small businesses are valued at a multiple of earnings, but you need to know how to read between the lines. Revenue and profit numbers on paper don't always tell the whole story. In the full program, I'll give you the calculators and financial models I use to run these numbers. But for now, just remember, valuation is about what the business earns today and what it can earn under your ownership. Third, financing. You don't need millions in the bank to buy a business. There are proven structures: SBA loans, seller financing, investor partnerships, and creative deals where you put in less upfront. This is where a lot of people get stuck. But once you understand the options, it opens up the door to opportunities you didn't think were possible. Fourth is due diligence. This is where you roll up your sleeves and dig into the business to make sure that the numbers, the systems, and customers are solid. You're looking for risks, things that could sink the deal after you buy it. In this free course, I'll highlight a few big red flags in the next module. In the full course, I give you the full checklist and step-by-step processes so you don't miss anything. And finally, stage 5, closing and transition. This is where the deal is signed and you step in as the new owner. But the real magic is in the transition. How you win over employees, retain customers, and take control without chaos. Do this well, and you set yourself up for growth from day one. So these are the 5 stages: sourcing deals, valuation basics, financing options, due diligence, and closing and transition. Each stage has its own challenges and its own opportunities. In the next module, we're going to zoom in on one of the most important parts: the red flags that kill deals. If you miss these, you could end up with a business that drains money instead of making it. I'll see you in the next one.